In the red from Kyrgyzstan, it's Bilol Sharipov, and in the blue, it's Umiджон Жалолов out of Uzbekistan. Sharipov with a quick shot. Жалолов shakes it off. Now a high crotch attempt, switch to a single. Head outside single with Sharipov. Now Жалолов looking to cut his opponent back. And now these guys are in a scramble, making eggs here in the bronze medal match. It was Sharipov who initiated the shot, and it looks like he's coming close to scoring. And there's going to be the opening two of the match. Жалолов giving up the takedown.
Төртчү камтуу боюнча Кыргызстандын лидеринен чексиздикти кошуп ал. 4 жумага болгону 500 сом. Максималдуу ылдамдыктагы чексиз интернет. Акысыз мессенджерлер менен социалдык тармактар. Wi-Fi'ды акысыз таратуу. Чексиз чалуулар. Жогорку сапаттагы 200дөн ашуун телеканал. Этно медиа онлайн кинотеатрын акысыз көрүү. Мой о тиркемесинен же Остор дүкөндөрүнүн акысыз есим. Барына чексиз.
As now Sharipov brought that left heel to the rear end, and any time that heel comes up towards your opponent's rear end, they're going to stop it just for the knee safety. As you see, that right knee is already taped up for Жалолов. So the medical staff is going to come on, take a look at that right knee. We'll be back shortly. Back to action. Жалолов, that right knee was given some cold spray. So he's able to continue. 65 kilos bronze medal. This is the second bronze medal, first won by Iran. Жалолов really starting to favor that right knee. And you can tell his demeanor has significantly changed in this match. After getting injured on that right knee, not as offensive as he was in the opening minute. Starting to move back more than he's moving forward. And you can tell just how hurt he is, but he's being a warrior, hanging in there. Only down 2-0. 35 seconds left, but it's important that Жалолов not give up any more points than what he's already given the two, and I say that just as the shot clock expires. So this is going to be an interesting one because there were zeros on the clock. And what perfect timing from Sharipov. I said Жалолов could not give up any additional points other than that inactivity, and that's exactly what he did. So rather than heading into period number 2 with that potential 3-0 lead, Sharipov is now going to head into period number 2 with a 4-0 lead as he stayed offensive, understood where the clock was. And now has the commanding 4-0 lead. Kyrgyzstan not known for their freestyle dominance. I'm thinking guys like Ernazar Akhmataliyev in freestyle And we know that the country of Kyrgyzstan has been churning out Greco-Roman stars, the likes of Akshu Makhmudov and Jalaman Sharshin Bekov. And on the women's side, Ipri Medekiza, Aysulu Tinabekova, Miriam Jumana Jarova. And if they could add some freestyle talent and some freestyle depth, they'd be one of the most dominant nations across the board. And it looks like it's that knee again. What a fighting spirit Жалолов is showing right now. He may be down 4-0. And there are no moral victories in our sport, but I'll tell you what, when you watch a guy like Жалолов compete, knowing how hurt he really is, this is it. So inspiring. Just exemplifies what our sport is, no matter what. You never give up. You never hang up the boots. You continue to stay in there until the referee's final whistle, and that's exactly what Жалолов is doing right now. But on the other end, it's Sharip Ulu. A well-controlled match right now for the Kyrgyz youngster, the 18-year-old. Looking to close out his near-perfect season. Won the U23 Asian Championships earlier this season, picking up 5 victories, and then came here only falling 1 match, and that was against Ibrahimov, the neutral athlete. Жалолов circling in the center. And there you see that heavily taped, injured knee. And there's going to be a caution in 1. Жалолов got exactly what he asked for. He said Sharipulu is continuing to poke him in his eye. So they go 1 for the brutality. Hands to the face. Again. And a second point was asked. And now Жалолов starting to pick up the pace. A deep double. Too much space in between both of these athletes. And Жалолov is really starting to fire off these attacks. Now he gets to a shot. But it's Sharip Ulu showing the depth of his hips. Not once, but twice. To close out the match. So there you have it. Sharip Ulu of Kyrgyzstan picks up a bronze medal at 65 kilos. We'll move to the 65 kilo gold medal match coming up next on UWW+.